Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the questions asked in test of mathematics and particularly to functions. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll try to understand the kind of questions that have been asked in this kind of examinations in general, and also take a look at the approach involved for solving the same. Having said that, let's focus on the question at hand. Let f be a function of real values such that it satisfy f of r plus s equal to f of r plus f of s. Okay. For all r and s, let m and n be integers, then f of m by n equals, so we have four values. So let's try and solve this question. Here we have f of r plus s equal to f of r plus f of s. Okay. So if we put s equal to 0, therefore we can have f of r equal to f of r plus f of 0. So therefore this 2 gets cancelled out. F of 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Now if we further take f of r plus s equal to f of r plus f of s. Okay. Now let me do one thing. F of r plus m minus 1 s, m minus 1 r. Okay, so I've taken this. So therefore this can be again written as f of r plus f of m minus 1 r. We can write this. This can be further written as f of r plus f of r. Okay, let me write it here. I don't think there's enough space. This can be written as f of r plus f of r plus f of m minus 2 r, and this will actually continue going forward. So this will finally end up m f of r plus f of 0 that equal to m f of r. Okay, because this term is equal to 0. From here we can find out. So therefore we can further conclude f of m by n r will be m by n f of r. So therefore f of m by n will be equal to m by n f of 1. So option C is our answer. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, the process involved. All we needed to do is initially find out the value of f of 0, and then subsequently we could easily go ahead and solve the same. So having said that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. Having said that, I'd like to sign out. So in case you are having any kind of difficulty in trying to understanding the question, I suggest you go through the video multiple times and try to solve this question on your own. So with this, we will wind up the video. Thank you so much.